Hey everyone, and welcome to Wonder World. Today, we're going on an adventure with Lily, a curious girl who loved exploring the meadows near her grandma's house. One sunny afternoon, as Lily skipped through the tall grass, she spotted a dandelion unlike any other. This dandelion shimmered with a soft, magical glow. Lily, wide-eyed with wonder, blew gently, sending the glowing seeds floating into the air. Each seed carried a tiny twinkling light like miniature stars. Lily's wish. "I wish I could touch a real star," Lily whispered, gazing at the sparkling seeds. Suddenly, a shooting star streaked across the sky, leaving a trail of shimmering dust. One of the glowing seeds caught the falling dust and drifted back down, landing right in Lily's hand. The seed pulsed with warmth, and as Lily held it close, a tiny voice whispered, "Thank you for saving me, little friend. I am Stella, a lost star searching for my way back to the sky. The journey begins." Lily's heart pounded with excitement. She had a lost star in her hand. Together, they decided to help Stella return home. But how? Using a ladybug as a map and a butterfly as a guide, they embarked on a whimsical journey through. Along the way, they encountered playful clouds that tickled their noses, grumpy mushrooms who grumbled directions, and wise old fireflies who lit their path. Each challenge they faced brought them closer to their goal, and their friendship grew stronger. Obstacles and teamwork. One obstacle stood in their way, a wide, rushing river. Lily worried they couldn't cross, but Stella, remembering the shimmering dust, sprinkled it on a large leaf. The leaf transformed into a shimmering boat, carrying them safely across the water. Finally, they reached the top of a hill, the gateway to the starry sky. With tears in her eyes, Lily helped Stella launch herself back into the heavens. Farewell and discovery. "Thank you, Lily, for your kindness and bravery," Stella called down. "You'll always be my friend, even though we're far apart." As Stella disappeared into the twinkling night, Lily realized something amazing. The magic wasn't just in the seeds or the stardust. It was in the kindness, courage, and friendship they shared. Remember, everyone has a little bit of magic inside them. Just like Lily, be curious, be kind, and help others shine their brightest. Until next time, keep wondering.